Well, I've taken my wife's advice and I'm just going to video what I find inside the parcel. That's the case. And that's one of the chargers, which is fine. It looks okay. Can you hear that?
What?
There's like a whirring.
Yeah.
Well, that's not normal.
Oh, look at all these little bits along here. What's that?
What the hell? There's a chunk taken out of the.
God. Hang on, what do you think? That's a massive gouge. What the heck?
They're down this side as well.
Hang on, I'll have to...
And there's a.
Oh my gosh, look at the top bit as well.
It looks like he's taking the screen out.
Oh my god.
That's the screen.
Oh
He's
my
taking
God,
the screen
all the
out.
Rubber, is it rubber? Yeah.
Yeah, it's all been cut away. He's swapped the screen out.
What the hell? I knew it.
Well, I said he bought it for parts and then pretended there's a fault with
Another, look, another chunk there. Oh my gosh, it's all coming out.
Well, if you look at the pictures
Okay.
of mine, it's immaculate.
Yeah.
All the way. See the rubber there, look?
Yeah.
All the way around. So this is either a different. You can feel the lump there.
Yeah. Oh, it's bad. Oh my god. What about underneath?
Well, this isn't my laptop. Look, there's a massive gap here as well. So he's had the base off.
Oh my god.
Well, there's the serial number. Can you see it?
I'm gonna have to turn the camera around. Hang on. CO2 NK01TG3QG, I think.
There's the serial number on the base of the box there. Well, that matches.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean anything though, because he's definitely taken the base off. That base has been taken off and not put back properly.
Look, it's flush by there, and then, oh my god, yeah, look, it's popping out again.
There's like a bulge. It looks like the battery's swollen, so he's taken a faulty battery.
Oh my god.
And that's probably why the trackpad isn't working, because when the battery swells, it places pressure underneath. So this is all what I sent. Well, that's missing stuff.
Oh.
There's a power supply for the Belkin. So if you look, this power supply and cable is missing. So let's just recap now. Power supply, cable, screen's damaged. I can't even log into it because I don't know what the password is.
The base is all...
Okay, password's 1 2 3 4. What? What's he done?
I don't know.
Look at the scratches on the bottom here as well. They weren't there. Okay, that's enough. And when the screen is off, you can see the damage is extensive. There's actually a hole there, look. And a gouge. And if you look at these little dots, it looks like there's a plastic film covering it. Another big gouge there. You see the dots? It looks like it's covered in a plastic film. Another gouge. So when I've turned it back over, I've noticed as well that parts of the battery are loose. Now, when you replace them, the whole of the back of the battery has adhesive on it. So these would have all been stuck down. But if you've removed them from one laptop, transferred them to a different one, then obviously that adhesive is not going to work anymore. So it's loose on that side and on this side. And I think the only thing holding this part down is the battery connector there, which is obviously being pulled away because it doesn't fit, because it's a faulty battery. Why? This part is loose as well, possibly from where he's swapped the screen. Yeah, this has been removed as well on this side. So I think that's part of the process to take the screen off, is to remove the cooling system here, which will give you access to take the screen away. So he's obviously pulled these off in order to get the cooling system off, to take the screen apart, to swap it out. Okay, so I thought I'd better look inside, being as it wasn't fitting properly, and I can see what's happened. This is where the battery mounts up to the system board. I'm an IT engineer, so I'm familiar with the internals of laptops and stuff, so I felt quite comfortable opening it up. But here, this should be flush. There's screws missing. There should be a screw there, and there should be a screw there, which hold that board down. I know this because I've replaced this battery myself. So 3 years ago, and no, it was 18 months ago I replaced the battery, and I would not have put it back together in this state. So he has obviously put a faulty battery in here, as long as swapping out the screen by the look of it. Because now, if you turn it on, let me just turn it over. So what the issue was, the trackpad not clicking, that is because the battery has not been the battery that's been put in there has not been put in properly.